are you going to wait till your name is called by the academic official or by the MC? That will be your waiting area, okay, during the conferment of degrees. That aisle beside the psychology graduates. Okay? That is where you have to fall in line alphabetically and wait there till your name is called by the MC or the academic official. Next slide. Okay. So for the applied physics and chemistry, how are you going to go to the waiting area during the conferment of degrees? Okay? The blue arrow, okay, that rightmost blue arrow pointing downward, that will tell you as to how you will leave your seats. They follow. And then, that is the direction or path that you have to take to go to your waiting area. Okay? So that is, dapat malapit kayo sa stage, yung kauna-unahang estudyante. You will be using actually the stairs, that small stair, okay, to your left when you are facing the center stage. Okay, pagpalit nyo ng hagdan. So, kapag nasa waiting area na kayo, then the academic officials will start calling you one by one. Okay, so doon kayo sa pinakgitna. That is where your tassel, okay, the position of your tassel will be changed by the presiding officer. Okay, at the center actually of the stage. Okay, and then, pagkalipat ng inyong tassel, siyempre, kakamay mo sila presiding officer, the dean, the assistant dean, and the college secretary. And after that, before you go down, okay, meron kayong picture taking. Okay? So, kita niyo yung side na yan. When you are facing the stage, sa rightmost side, okay, before going down, you have to pause. Okay, that will be for your picture taking. Yun ang babayaran nyo doon. So, ang picture taking nyo, from red image, yung pinapalit yung posisyon ng inyong tassel, at saka yung bago ka, buwaba ng hagdan. Okay, so dalawa yun, dalawang shots yun. And then, if you are an honor student, okay, if it is your turn already, okay, if it, kapag turn na ng inyong program, please request your parents, okay, to go with you, to be beside you, okay, in the waiting area. So, kapag halimbawa sa biology, kapag kayo honor student, on your way to your waiting area, dapat pupunta na rin doon ang inyong parents. Hindi nyo susunduin yung inyong parents sa inyong upuan. Okay, we have so many graduates this year, and we want the ceremony to be finished the shortest time as possible. Of course, you don't want to stay, okay, in the pavilion for 3 hours or 4 hours, just waiting for your name to be called. So, dapat mabilis. So, habang papunta kayo sa graduate area, dapat yung mga parents nyo alam na napupunta rin sila doon sa waiting area during the conferment of degrees. If you are a mere graduate, you will not be accompanied by your parent during the conferment of degrees. But if you are an honor student, you will be accompanied by both parents of yours. So, pagpanik mo ng stage, pag tinawag ang iyong pangalan, okay? So, i-confer ng presiding officer ang inyong degree. So, after that, shake hands with the presiding officer, and then the dean will be giving to your parents your medal. Okay? So, doon na rin yung pinning of medals for the honor students. Okay? So, pag ibinigay ni dean ang inyong medal as honor student, sa may harap ng stage, huwag nyo naman tatabingan ang presiding officer sa medyo kaliwa. Okay? Doon ilalagay ng inyong parent ang inyong medal as honor students. So another picture taking you. So after that, you go down. Okay, and go back to your respective seats. So you look at that. Okay. Now, for the applied physics and chemistry, coming from the stage, okay, during the conferment of degrees, you have to go back now to your respective seats. And how are you going to go back to your respective seats? That is the same as to how you went there during the processional. Di follow? Ang pagpasok nyo lagi pakanan, right? Pakanan ang pagpasok nyo. Siguro sa applied physics, kasi nasa harap kayo at iilan lang kayo, pwede niya siguro kayo mag-shortcut, but not for chemistry. Okay? Sa chemistry, you have to go to your respective seats, similar to how you go to your respective seats during the procession. So, pakanan din. So, medyo iikot ka doon, doon ka uli dadaan sa center aisle to go to your respective seats again. Okay? And after that, you have to remain standing. When are you going to sit down? Till the last candidate for graduation in your program is called by the academic official. And then the academic official introduces you formally as graduates of that course. Okay? Now, by the time the applied physics and applied mathematics, okay, are being involved during the conferment of degrees, most of you are still very alive then. Expect that each candidate for graduation belonging to AP and AM, okay, they will be receiving, okay, a big round of applause from the audience and from you. Okay? But for the biology, you are too many. Okay? By the time your degree is to be conferred by the presiding officer, almost everybody is exhausted, clapping his or her hands. Okay? So, siyempre, pag tinawag ang inyong pangalan, gusto niyo may pumapalakpak. Okay? Nakakalungkot naman ang pag tinawag ang inyong pangalan, ang pumapalakpak lang ang inyong parents at ang inyong dalaga ng guest, right? Kaya in your course mismo, magpalakpakan kayo kapag tinawag ang inyong pangalan. Para hindi naman malungkot. Okay? Walang problema sa small programs kasi sila mauna. Lahat kayo sigurado papalakpakan. Pero sa mga big courses, particularly psychology, halos wala nang pumapalakpak. Kaya kayo na lang mismo ang magpalakpakan. Okay? Now, for the applied math and microbiology, that is how you will go to your assigned area and go up the stage during the conferment of degrees. Okay, the thin arrows will tell you the direction on how to go back to your respective seats again. Okay, follow? So, for AM and microbiology, you will be using again the center aisle to go back to your respective seats from the stage. Maliwanag? So, ang direction nyo will be the same direction that you use when you go there during the procession. Now, for the biology, ayan. Kanina sa processional, yung mga kauna-unahang estudyante, ang ginamit na stair is not the last stage stair, but the second to the last stage. But during the conferment of degrees, okay, during the conferment of degrees, kasi diyan sa biology, since you are alphabetically arranged, and the alphabetical arrangement is from right to left. Di follow? From right to left ang alphabetical arrangement dito sa biology. Kaya instead of using that stair that you used to go to your respective seats during the processional, ang gagamitin instead yung last stair. Okay? To go now to that area where you have to wait till your name is called by the chair. Okay? So, yung malalaking arrows na yon, the curved arrows, will tell you the directions on how to go to the waiting area. Okay? So, yun lang ang path nyo to go up the stage during the conferment of degrees. And how are you going to go back to your respective seats? Next slide, please. See, ang pagpasok, similar to how you enter the throne, okay, during the procession. Any questions sa biology? And then for the psychology, ayan. That is the direction that you have to take to go to the waiting area and to go up the stage. And when you go back to your respective seats, kayo lang ang nabago, dadaan kayo sa likod ng mga faculty members. Okay? Para hindi kayo makasagabal sa mga estudyanteng nakapila sa waiting area. Okay? But again, look at the direction on how to go to your respective seats again. It is similar again to how you enter the throne during the processional.
Right.
So after the conferment of degrees is the awarding or recognition of special awards. So meron tayong mga loyalty awardees. Okay? And there are also some special awards to be given by the Dean's Office, by the departments, okay? And even by some persons. So, if it is already the recognition of special awardees, the giving of special awards, okay? For the loyalty awardees, don't let the MC to call your name, okay? Just to go up the stage. Pag narinig ko sa MC na ibibigay na ang special awards, just like the conferment of degree, okay? You have to go again to the waiting area. Doon sa aisle, beside psychology graduates. So lahat ng loyalty awardees, punta kayo lahat doon together with your parents, okay? And wait till your name is called by the MCs. Same is true with the other awardees. Halimbawa, yung outstanding alumnus, okay, ng biology department, ng psychology department, lahat kayo pupunta na near the stage, okay, doon sa waiting area near the stage, and wait till your name is called by the MCs. Para mabilis. Imagine sa dami ng ating special awards. Pag ang bawat awardee hinintay na manggaling sa upuan papunta sa stage, doon pa lang, more than 30 minutes na ang nakakainit. Nakakainit yun. Okay? So, nakakainit yun. So, after the giving of special awards is actually the pledge of loyalty. It will be it will be delivered actually by, or it will be led actually by another honor student. And after that, you will be inducted as members of the College of Science Alumni Association. You will be inducted, okay, by the president of that association. Okay? And after that is the address of thanks to be delivered by the batch valedictorian, the one with the highest rated average. And I do hope this year, okay, that valedictorian will come from our program. Okay. So after the address of thanks, okay, everybody will be requested to rise for the singing of the UST hymn. So after that is the recessional of the faculty members. Okay, the faculty members and the administrators will be leaving the graduate area. And again, what is expected from you when they are leaving the hall? Give them a big round of applause. Okay? And after that, since picture taking, selfie, and video recording are not allowed during the ceremony, that's the time to reenact the important parts of the program. Kung gusto niyong kuhanan, halimbawa, yung paglalagay ng inyong cap, reenact it after the program. Okay? So reenactment na lang because picture taking, selfie, and video recording are not allowed during the ceremony. Now, just a reminder, most of the time, Okay? After comparing your degrees, some of you will be going to the comfort rooms. Okay? To answer the call of nature, nobody can stop you from doing that. But please, go to the comfort room one at a time. Okay, huwag ka na mag-aya. And before you go to the comfort room, if you see, halimbawa, one of your friends, okay, will go to the comfort room, hintayin nyo munang bumalik ang inyong kaibigan bago kayo lumabas. Huwag ka nang mag-aya pa. Okay? Nakakaduga yun. Yung iihi ka lang, tatawag ka pa ng kasama, right? So, isa-isa lang ang pagpunta ng comfort rooms. Yung iba, makita mo nag-aaya, nung pala mag-picture taking lang doon sa mga corridor sa first level. May mga marshals kami doon, kaya nga meron kaming committee on, meron kami talaga mga marshals. I think that committee is consisting of around 6 members. Ang role nila, maghanap ng mga pasaway ng mga estudyante. Okay? Remember, hindi nyo pa nare-receive yung transcript of records, your diploma, right? And even your certificates of good moral character. Maybe those things are the ones that you will be using to apply, okay, for a job. So, pag kayo nahuli namin pasaway, ayun ang sanction na ibibigay namin sa inyo. Okay? I-hold namin ang inyong credentials. Napakadaling gawin. Okay? So, we expect full cooperation from each of you. Okay? So, if I'm not mistaken, we are only allowed to stay in the graduate area up to 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Kaya kung halimbawa, maagang matatapos ang program, you will have enough time for picture taking with your friends, with your family, and with your guests. Okay? Ngayon, kung tatagal ang program, aabutin na halimbawa ng 11:45, wala na kayong picture taking. We have to vacate the graduate area, okay? The pavilion already. So, yun ang wisdom pag kayo hindi sanay makapag-cooperate sa amin, hahaba ang ating program. Okay? Baka makatulog lang kayo. Now, meron pa ba? Oh, yes, I am not actually the chair of the Committee on Baccalaureate, but let me discuss briefly your baccalaureate mass. Your baccalaureate mass will be on March 21. Okay, and it will be held in the afternoon. So, we expect that each of you will be here already in the College of Science by 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Again, okay, just look for the room that is assigned to your section for attendance check-in. It is your advisor that will be checking your attendance. Okay? And again, the names of your names actually will be posted. Okay? On the walls of every room where your attendance will be checked. So you don't need to worry about that. Just be here before 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay? So look at the reminders. I'm not the one that prepared that set of reminders. It is actually the chair of the Baccalaureate Committee last year. Okay? Now, isipin nyo na lang, bakit niya nilagay yan? Actually, very up ngayon yan. Applicable sa atin ngayon yan. Ang dami-dami nangangailangan ng mga damit sa panahon nito, particularly yung mga nasa Tacloban at Samar. So, huwag yung sayangin ang inyong mga uniforme, huwag yung sulatan. Okay? Before the Baccalaureate Mass or during the Baccalaureate Mass, pwede nyo pamigay yun. Okay? So, bawal sulatan ang inyong mga uniforme. Okay, yung mga nagsusulat, right? Ipamigay ko na lang ang inyong mga damit, meron pang makikita. Now, so, this is now your problem, so I do not know if we can provide you, okay, snacks before the Baccalaureate Mass. But the thing is, okay, since the program will start at exactly 4 o'clock, okay? It will start exactly at 4 o'clock. Please eat heavy lunch already. Okay? Tapos, lucky are you if our dean, okay, will be giving, okay, snacks for you.